back to another video. This is my first vlog since my other ones because I did restart my feed on my whole vlog thing, if that makes any sense. But I'm over here with my family. There's my little brother. Say hi, Jonathan.
Hi.
And there's Daniel back there. Daniel, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
And my dad's driving. Wait, say hi.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Main Street West.
In 1 mile turn. We are currently driving to Goodwill. I've never been there before. None of us actually have been there. And I thought it would be pretty cool to go. So we're gonna go there and I'll update you guys on our way there. Bye. My little brother wants to say something to you guys real quick, so take it away, Jonathan.
Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications to get notified every time she uploads a video.
Yeah!
I lost my way, I lost my mind on a sunny day. Right on the street, but there's something really happening. Is it around you? All alone,
So we're here, we're gonna go in, see what we find. Hopefully something good. Okay, so this is not what I expected, but me and Daniel are gonna try and see if we find something cute. And look at this. $3.99 deals, guys. Deals on deals. We're gonna find some stuff. I just found a Tommy Hilfiger shirt here, and I could use it as like one of those dad shirts, but it's actually cute. Daniel, get out. I found this one here, and it's got like these skulls, so it looks a little crazy, but I'm digging the tie-dye. Okay. There's like a lot of colors here. Oh, there's some yellow. There's a tie-dye. Yeah, here's another tie-dye one. Oh, here's the yellow submarine one. Okay, let's keep looking.
20 minutes later.
So I got a couple things in here as you guys can see, and now I'm looking for pants and seeing if I find anything else that's cute. So yeah.
A few minutes later.
So these dressing rooms look really sketchy, but they only allow 3 things at a time in here. So I got 3 things. I'm gonna try those on and show you guys what they look like on me. So first thing I got was this dress, and I'm whispering because I think there's people outside. But I got this dress, and I thought it was cute at first, but now I don't know. And yeah, I still have my pants on, so but I don't know if I like it or not. The top is kind of cute, but I don't know if I want to get this on. This is the next thing I got, which is this green shirt, and I like because it's really big. And I'm really thinking of turning this into a crop top, so like this, and I think it would look really cute. So I might actually get this one. I really like it. I like the color. So yeah. So next, I got this denim jacket, and it's from Gap. And well, the sleeves are off, but I mean, I think I like it. I wish it was kind of longer, but I think I like this. I might get the denim jacket. It's really cute. So, I might get that. And the shirt. This is still the same shirt. I dig it. So I found this skirt, and I think I really like it. I might get it. It's a little tight. It's cute. Orange shirt, and it's got a don't look for a fox, and it says do not disturb, and it's cute, but I don't think I really like it. Okay, so I had other stuff to try on, but there was like a lot of people waiting in line to try stuff on. So I was like, I'm leaving. But what I was gonna try on was this like orange long sleeve Ralph Lauren shirt. And I was like, I don't know if I like it or not, so I'm just put it back because I was gonna try it on. There was so many people. And then I found this like crop top pink velvety shirt, and I was gonna try that on too. But I'm not, because I kind of figured I'll probably never wear it. So yeah, but I'm gonna go check out.
So now we are on our way to get something to eat, and I think then we're gonna go home because they were complaining like usual.
We're not complaining.
Yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
I
Look at you.
I wasn't.
I'm squeezing your head.
I wasn't.
It's like every time I squeeze it, he says I wasn't.
Boring.
That's what the place was boring. I was very interested. They were just like,
so old. It was old. Like,
it was a thrift store, Daniel.
we're stained. The carpets.
You remind me of that SpongeBob episode where Squidward was like, the walls will ooze and what?
Slash slinging.
The slash slinging slasher. That's what you remind me of whining.
The hash slinging slash.
I am going to insert that clip right here because that was hilarious, and that's what he sounds complaining right now.
A little later.
What?
Erase it.
Hi, Jonathan. Say hello. So we came to Burger King. We just got our drinks and we're waiting for food.
So long, and they just gave us 2 free cookies. What the?
So we were there waiting a while for our food in the drive-thru, and they took so long, and the lady gave us our food, and she said they threw you in some free cookies for y'all's wait, and we were like, okay. I look in the bag, and there's literally only 2 cookies, and I was like, what? I mean, honestly though, the least they could have done was give us 4 cookies, because we did order 4 meals for 4 people, and they gave us 2 cookies. Not complaining, I mean, I'll eat the cookies, but 2 cookies, really? We're gonna share the cookies. We're gonna like split them in half and everything.
I want to have cookie. I want half of that.
I'm gonna have a lot of blurring out to do. But yeah, that's our story. Hey guys, so I got done eating and I thought I would show you guys what I got. And let's not forget, we only paid $12. $12, which is a bargain. So first thing I got was this skirt, and it has this thing on it, so I don't know if it was like still new or what, but it's so cute. It's really cute white skirt, and the top is a little tight, but it does stretch. It's very stretchy. So next I got this. I think this was actually in the men's section. You find like the greatest things in the men's section, and it's just a plain t-shirt, and I like long t-shirts, but at the same time I thought this one would be really cute to turn into a crop top, so we're gonna do that. But next I did purchase this yellow top, and I thought this right here in the middle was so cute, like just the way this was. I thought it was cute. It does say extra small, but it honestly stretches a lot, so if it's just like if it was a regular small or a medium. And last thing I got was a denim jacket, because I don't have a denim jacket and I really wanted one. So I got this Levi jacket, and it's a small, but it's so cute. Yeah, that's basically everything I got.